एवरीवन, दिस इज मधुजा। वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल स्नैप इंग्लिश विद एमजे। आज की वीडियो में हम लाए हैं 20 लाइन एसे ऑफ एंग्री वर्ड। तो प्लीज डोंट स्किप द वीडियो। आइए शुरू करते हैं। एवरीवन गेट्स एंग्री एट सम पॉइंट ऑफ द टाइम। इट्स एन इनहेरेंट क्वालिटी ऑफ एवरी ह्यूमन। Only some people manage their anger. Perhaps these are very rare. Anger is an emotion of intense displeasure. Anger can be a good thing. It can give you a way to express a negative feelings. But excessive anger causes problem. You can diffuse anger through diversion, distraction, humor, or talking about it. The third way is to force you to calm down inside. By controlling internal responses, you can be angry every day, but learn not to show it so as to minimize the problems it may create. To be control anger, we must be patient and tolerance. The ability to tolerate or remain patient is a remarkable quality. Remember, it is natural to get angry, but only the wise can subdue anger. A person who has tolerance is always happy in life, and it helps them to live peaceful and calm lives. They do not commit any actions that they may regret, but forgive and forget who makes them angry. That's all for today. See you in the next video. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.